Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to select everything to the right on your timeline in Premiere Pro. We're going to select all video clips and all audio clips using the Track Select Forward tool. Okay, so I'm going to drag and drop a video into my project. So let's say you worked on your video a bit and you have all these clips in different places on your timeline. Now, there's no way to select everything to the right of your playhead in Premiere Pro, because technically we always end up selecting to the right of a clip together with that clip. So the keyboard shortcut for that is simply A. As soon as you press A, your cursor will change into these two arrows pointing right. When that happens, all you have to do is just click on a clip and everything to the right of that clip will be selected. This is called Track Select Forward tool, and it's located over here on the toolbar. And the cool thing about it is that if you press Shift+A, it will switch to Track Select Backward tool. And as you might have guessed, what it does is select everything to the left of a clip. Now, if you hold your mouse button down over the Track Select Forward tool, you'll be able to choose between that and Track Select Backward tool. Now, there's one last thing you need to know about Track Select Forward tool. When you click on a clip, it will select everything on all other tracks as well, whether it's images or audio. But if you press and hold Shift, your cursor will change to a single arrow, and from now on, you'll be able to select everything to the right on a single track, whether it's a video clip, images, or audio. And that's pretty much it, guys, to selecting everything to the right in Premiere Pro.